Hey guys, what's up? It's Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be curling my hair yet again, but this time around it's going to be the big kind of curls. I've just been inspired by hairstyles like this and like this, and just women like Tori Kelly and Ella Irie. I just love the big curly hair, and the fact that my hair is just so super thin, dead straight. I just feel like I want to have big curly hair. So that's what I'm going to tackle on today, and I'm hoping that it'll turn out decent. I'm not sure exactly how this is all gonna play out, but I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping that it's gonna actually turn out really nice. I don't have the thinnest of the thinnest rod for curling iron or wand. I have this. This is like the thinnest one that I have, and I'm hoping if I take small sections of my hair, I will get to create those really small kind of ringlets, I guess is what you call it. Let's jump in and start this tutorial for you guys. For the wand, you've probably seen this in my other videos when I was using curling wands. I only have one, actually no, that's a lie, I have two, but this is the one that I mainly use, and it's the Hair Forensics Laboratory Elite Series wand. I've had this for a while, and you just get three different, oh my god. That was not planned, but anyways, as I was saying, it comes with like the three barrels. I got the large one. I'm not sure what size this is, but let's just say 2 inch, 1 inch, and ½ an inch. I don't exactly know, but if I find something like this, I will definitely put it in my description box. I got this a long time ago. I think this was a gift from my mom. I don't remember. It was really a long time, and it's just been lasting me forever. So yeah, I like this one. First things first, like always, I'm going to just brush out all the knots in my hair because I always get a lot of knots, and you guys always know I have a lot of knots underneath here, which I hate so much. You guys are wondering why I'm looking over here. I have my big giant mirror in front of me, so don't think I'm ignoring you guys, because I'm just trying to look at my hair here so I can see how everything is going. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this Wella Professional Dynamic Fix Spray, and it is a crafting spray, so I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. Hopefully this will help the curls just kind of hold itself. It's not going to really give my hair that crunchy texture as if I'm using hairspray. I will be using hairspray later on, but this is just going to help craft it up. Right, so I'm just gonna run my fingers through that a little bit more. We can put a little bit more as we go. So now I'm just gonna section off my hair and work with the bottom layer. So I'm gonna take like really small sections because I really want the nice thin curls or small curls. So I'm just going to take this much hair down here and just tie the rest of my hair up. Right, so what I'm gonna do now is just bring my hair forward like so, and then make sure this is on. Yeah, that's on. I'm gonna take probably thin sections like this and just start curling it. I'm gonna start curling it as close to the base or the root as I could. Actually, I don't even know if it really matters underneath the hair, but I'm just gonna do it. So I'm gonna take the rod right up to here and start curling it around. So I kind of got small curls like that. I think this is what I'm going for. We'll see how it goes once I curl everything else. So with this part, I'm just gonna skim on through here because you guys basically know what I'm doing. So as I go each layer, I'm gonna just fast forward it just to save some time. there we go. We have these curls all done here, and I'm gonna work on this side. Oh, look at that curl. That curl is so cute. My hair is gonna be like so short. That looks so short. I hope I look okay. I hope it doesn't make me look like super curly Sue when my hair isn't supposed to be so fluffy or frizzy or curly and short. I'm just hoping that I can still look cute. So again, I'm just going to be taking really thin sections like this, or sometimes even maybe thinner. The thinner the strands that you get, the more of a tight curl that you'll achieve. And one thing that I want to mention too is when I'm doing the curls, I'm always alternating some sections. So if I'm curling my hair away from my face with this strand, and the next strand I'm going to curl it towards my face, just because if I'm curling it all in the same direction, it's just going to bunch up into one curl. So by alternating it, it'll just kind of sit loosely on its own, and it won't bunch up all as one. Hopefully that makes sense. And don't mind my finger. I swear, every time I film a video where you see my hands, I always have a band-aid. My nail just broke right here in the middle and it hurts, and I don't want to pull it off, so that's why I have a band-aid, just to protect it from like getting caught anywhere, because I don't want to cut it off. So I made it about halfway through my hair, and this is what the curls look like. It's not bad. So I didn't spray anything on it at all. I'll probably go through my hair and then just take the other, like these small pieces that I've missed, and then I'll just kind of re-curl it again like that. That's basically it. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue on with the rest of my hair until I reach the top, and I'll come back at you guys. Alright guys, so I am nearing the top of my head, so if I move this around you can kind of see what it looks like. So the curls are there, it's getting there. We'll see once everything is done. But what I'm gonna do, as I'm nearing the top of my head, I'm taking like really thin sections. So I just find that the thinner sections that I take, the more volume I will get on the top. So if I take thin sections, I can't even talk. If I take thin sections like this, or even thinner, and then curl it, it will just kind of keep layering the curls, and then it'll just kind of go upwards and just be more full of volume, just kind of like what I like. And I'm not gonna lie, this is taking me so long. I think it's been more than an hour since I've been doing this on my hair, because I'm taking like really thin sections. So it's kind of a good thing that my hair is thin, or else it'll take me like a whole entire day to curl my hair. So yeah, basically now I just have like this much hair and whatever's left on top, and I'm just gonna take really thin sections to curl, and then hopefully I will be done soon, because I'm getting tired. My arm hurts, it's hot in here, and I just want to see what the finished result's gonna look like. So I'm almost done with my hair finally. I just have this strand left. So I'm just probably going to take 4 small strands of this section, and I will be done curling my hair. Whew. Okay, so I finished curling my hair. I think I just gotta fix this part right over here. It's not sitting right, so I might kind of like curl it backwards, or maybe I will like spray it back or something. I'm having like Tori Kelly vibe right now. So I think I'm just gonna spray this back. And then maybe, because it's still a little bit flat here, I mean, that's why I tried to curl it to the roots, but it's just the way my hair is, it kind of lays flat. I think I have enough volume here. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just kind of separate it a little bit. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this. This stuff I really like. This is the Design Me Puff Me spray, and it adds volume to the roots. So I'm gonna just, I don't even know why I'm shaking it, it's like powder. So I'm gonna kind of separate my hair in here and spray right underneath, because that's just where I want more of the volume. And then I'm just gonna take my comb and tease it back a little bit. And it kind of brings it up higher a bit. Does that work? Kind of, right? Does it? What do you guys think? I feel like I'm Tina Turner. Okay, I just burned myself earlier and my hand hurts now. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the same thing here. And try not to ruin my curl, but I'm gonna add some volume right over here. There's a little tease. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just spray under here and give it a wiggle with my fingers. Whoa, that is some big ass hair. Okay, so I think I managed to sort of fix it in a way. I think it looks a little bit better. It just has some time to get used to, because obviously I'm not used to the big curly hair like this. But I don't know, I think it's really cute. So now I know what I look like with curly hair, but like I said, I feel like I have the Tori Kelly vibe. I'm liking it. Sometimes I wish my hair could just be curly, but maybe just not this curly. Or actually, you know what? Just looking at it a little bit more, it is starting to grow on me. It might be cute if I do like a little bun or something on the top. Maybe that'll be my next tutorial with this look. This hairstyle of mine is actually kind of inspired by this painting that I did. Yes guys, I painted this at one of my paint night events, and I think this is like one of my favorite paintings that I've done. I think I went there 5 times, 5 times, I'm not sure, but my hair is inspired by this look. What do you guys think? Kind of looks like that. Just pretend I have the gloves. Okay guys, so that is about it for this tutorial. This tutorial took me way too long. I think a total of 2 hours to actually curl my hair, but obviously I sped through this video, so this video won't be that long. Yeah, like I said, it's kind of growing on me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully you guys can try this out for yourself too. So if you guys are curious what you look like with curly hair, try it out. I don't even know, I think, what does it even say? This is like a 1/2 inch barrel. There's probably thinner ones, so if you really want like tighter curls, you can probably find thinner ones like that. I'll try to find some online and then post a link in my description box where you can check it out too. Now it's starting to flatten out up here, but I might come back and do another video with this hairstyle, but like maybe like a bun, because I've seen this over here and I think I like that. So maybe my next one will be how I do that kind of look. Okay guys, so if you were new here to my channel and you enjoyed what you saw, please do hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified when I have a new video posted. And also I just want to mention to you guys that I launched a new website of mine. No, I'm not selling any merch or anything like that. Maybe in the future I will, but this is just a kind of like side little business that I'm doing. So I'll post my link over here. This is what my website is called. I'll have the link in my description box too, where you guys can check it out. I'm not gonna talk too much about it here. I'll let your mind wonder what my website is about, so that you guys can go and check it out for yourselves. Other than that, I'm also on social media. If you guys are not following me, it is Sherry Anunuevo, and that is for Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And I think that is about it. All I know is that I am sweating up in here. I got the vent right in front of me and it's blowing strong heat, and now I am like dripping in sweat, and I think that's why my hair is laying flat, because I'm like sweating. But yes, other than that, thank you again so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.